Hey everyone, I'm Jake. Welcome back to the channel, and today I want to show another one of my DIY projects that is complementing my Packout system. I'm calling these Packout add-on creations, or packs for short. This is my 4-drawer compact worktop. My favorite thing about these drawers is their versatility. I can customize each one to easily make room for all my essentials, including a few snacks and some treats for Hawk. I sized the drawers according to different categories of items. It stores my most used hand tools, bits, and drills. I'm not 100% sure what I want to keep in the drawers full time, so after the build I'll feature some more customized drawer ideas. I recently made this compact storage dolly for my Packout vacuum. I really like the portability of the compact boxes, so I think my drawers are going to spend a lot of time on this stack. The idea for this pack was sparked by two of my other designs, my full-size drawers and my half-size storage dolly. If you haven't seen them already, I'll put the links below, or you can check out my playlist to see all of my other pack videos. Before we jump into my CAD design, I want to say that I didn't make this box to compete with my other Packouts, but to complement what I already have. I think a design like this could be a unique and useful product Milwaukee could someday bring to market. I used Autodesk Inventor to design this project. I had to design lots of 3D printed items for this box, so doing the entire model helps with all the other problem solving as well. I had three main design criteria for this build: Packout vacuum equivalent size, good drawer sizes, and a smooth and functional worktop. These drawers are roughly the size of the vacuum, or an equivalent size stack of other compact boxes. When I was thinking about how deep to make each drawer, I made sure I could fit certain items in each one. I measured my biggest screwdriver for the top, bit cases for the middle, and I made sure to make the bottom one big enough for my SDS drill. Another thing I modeled in Inventor was the bottom rolling box. This helped me make sure my rough sizing would look good, and it is helping me design my next pack. If anyone is interested in ordering any of these 3D printed pieces or plans for this project, comment below. I'm currently working on setting up an online store, but for now I'd really appreciate it if you let me know what you're interested in. Now it's time to get started with the build. I started by breaking down a sheet of 1/2-inch sanded plywood with my new track saw. Then I brought it over to my table saw to cut it to the right size. The back and bottom pieces rest between the sides, so I used 2 scraps to offset my fence from the total outside dimension, which is 16 inches. It made the cut much simpler than measuring to some weird fraction because 1/2-inch plywood isn't actually 1/2 inch. I assembled the box with wood glue and 18-gauge brad nails. This should be more than strong enough because I plan on this pack being more stationary than my other Packouts. Before I cut all my drawer boxes, I used a few cuts, some scrap pieces of wood, and washers to get a better idea of how big the bottom box would be, and if I liked how the spacing would be between the drawers. I cut all the pieces for the boxes, but I only assembled the sides and back for now. I'm using some 1/4-inch plywood for the bottoms. This part of the assembly was pretty easy. Just some glue, centering the bottom pieces, and short brackets. Installing drawer slides can be pretty tricky, but for this project I just measured down from the top and marked where I wanted each slide, and then I repeated that for the other side of the box. To keep the boxes evenly spaced and from rubbing when opening and closing, I stacked a couple washers on each corner of the drawer below before I attached the slides. I drew a center line for all the printed handles, and then used a 1/8 inch strip I cut down to space it down from the top of each box. For the flip-out shelf, I used a scrap I had lying around. Instead of painting it this time, I wanted to use this black wood wrap I found on Amazon. I think it came out pretty good. I saw these folding shelf brackets at Menards, and they were pretty cheap. They work really good, and I think I'll need to grab some more for future packs. By adding these folding shelf brackets, I now have a nice sized laptop desk that is 40% larger than the box was. I designed all these parts in Inventor and then printed them out on my artillery sidewinder in black PLA. Getting the right location for the box is pretty crucial. I wanted it to be as close as possible to the vacuum and the handle behind it. This is my third time now using hot glue to attach a box to the feet, and I think it works much better than double-sided tape. The hot glue helps hold the feet in place, but the screws are what should really do all the work. To make grabbing the box a little easier, I'm using these handles from Home Depot. To make them match the look more, I printed some caps to fit perfectly over the top and bottom. The handles were the final touch, and I think you can now call this another completed pack. The 4-drawer compact worktop is going to be a very versatile addition to my collection. I can comfortably work from it and store a variety of tools. The drawers are also still compatible with a full stack, even without cleats on top, because the size of the box is at the perfect height to let the feet of the box on top of it rest on the worktop. Thanks for checking out my latest pack. If you haven't already, check out my other pack videos and subscribe for many more packs and other projects. Hit the like button and comment below if you have any future pack ideas I should build or have any other thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.